Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Happy Blackie. Guys, today's video I want to quickly show you how you can do your crunchy peanut at home. So this peanut is a snack that is versatile. Everyone can achieve this particular peanut, and it's a very crunchy peanut, you guys. So here I have my peanut already, and before you do yours, don't use the peanut that is broken. So I have my peanut, I have my sugar over here, and that is all-purpose flour. I have water. This particular one is coconut flavor, and there's salt there, while these bowls are for the mixture. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, first thing first, I have to mix the mixture, and this mixture is mixture of sugar, a little sugar here, and I'll add a little pinch of salt. This is salt, and the coconut flavor. And I'll add little spoons of water. And stir. Make sure you melt the sugar very well. Here we'll have to add another water. Make sure you melt the sugar very well. Make sure that the sugar is well melted. So for the peanuts, this is my peanut. I'll pour it here. Mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well so that this is the first step where I'm going to be adding the flour. So I'll pour a little flour here, and I'll transfer this into the flour. And pour another one on top of the flour, and make it very well. Now it's time to fry, so I will have to test with this small seed to see if the oil is hot. As you guys are seeing already, the oil is hot, so I will just put as You can fry depending on how big your pot is. If your frying pan is, you can fry it at once, you can fry it bit by bit. Me, I'm frying it bit by bit because my frying pan is not that big, you guys. So it's frying now. Once it's done, and if you're frying it, don't just leave it, keep stir frying till just keep stir frying it until it turns to so you guys, it has started turning golden brown. So it depends on how browny you want yours to be. So this is it. I will just turn it a little bit before I pack it out of the oil. So this is it. Came out very nice and lovely. Look at it, guys. This is my peanut. I'll allow it to fry a little. So this is it. So I'll just pack it out of this oil and so guys, the crunchy peanut is ready. Bon appetit, guys. It's so much, I so much love how it came out. It's so crunchy, you guys. So this is the peanut. Thank you so much for watching, and also be expecting more of this and a lot of DIYs as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.